Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to plant an avocado tree from an avocado seed. All that you need is a few things, and the first thing is the seed. As you can see right there, I have a seed and it has avocado on it. Now what you want to do is you want to start off by rinsing the seed to remove all of the avocado, because that will turn into mold if you leave it on there. So I'm going to take it to the sink and rinse it. Now this is what it looks like now that it has been cleaned up. Now with the clean avocado seed, you'll notice these lines on it. Those are the fault lines. Those will actually end up cracking in the future. So it's just good to note that wherever you see those lines, those will likely crack when it starts to sprout. Now you'll notice there are two sides. One is sort of a smaller side at the top and then a bigger side on the bottom. The smaller side is at the top and the bigger side will be on the bottom. Now next you want to actually take some toothpicks. I used 3, but you can use 3, 4, 5, however many you want. And you want to place them on a downward angle, okay? And you can see that with the avocado seed, the top is on the top and the bottom is on the bottom. The small side is on the top and the bigger side is on the bottom. Now you place these toothpicks like this because they will actually hold it up against the either water bottle, the cut water bottle, or the plastic cup. So you just poke the toothpicks inside of there, make sure that they're nice and firmly in there, and make sure that the avocado seed is oriented the right way. Top being on top, bottom being on bottom. Once again, small side on top, big side on the bottom. Then you want to actually just basically leave the avocado seed hanging in either a plastic cup or a cut piece of water bottle, just like I have right here. Then you want to take some water and fill it up so that the water level is basically halfway between the bottom of the avocado seed and the top of the avocado seed. When you're in this position, you want to basically, when the avocado seed is in this position, you want to basically take that water bottle or cup, place it by a windowsill or somewhere that it's going to get some sunlight in, and you want to just leave it there for several weeks like this. What's going to happen is you're going to get a sprout from the top and you're going to get roots coming from the bottom. And it's going to take a while, but you're going to start to see the sprout and the roots. And that is how to plant an avocado tree from an avocado seed, how to grow an avocado tree from an avocado seed. It's a really simple process, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.